man was dying, and no one imagined this tragedy would soon become one of history's greatest miracles. Believing help could still arrive, they sent an urgent message to the teacher they trusted most. Everyone expected him to leave immediately, but his calm response surprised every person standing there. Every passing moment increased their fear, yet the teacher never appeared anxious or uncertain. Before help arrived, the family faced the moment they had prayed would never come. Their hope seemed buried beneath grief, and every unanswered question grew heavier with each passing day. Our friend Lazarus has fallen asleep, and I am going there to awaken him. Lazarus has died, and for your sake I am glad I was not there, so that you may believe. With every step toward Bethany, the moment that would change countless lives drew closer than anyone realized.
Lord, if you had been here, my brother would never have died.
I am the resurrection and the life. Whoever believes in me will live,
Even though they die.
Every grieving step carried them closer to a moment that no one believed was still possible. Their sorrow touched his heart so deeply that he chose to walk beside them to the tomb. Behind that silent stone lay 4 days of hopelessness, but no one knew what was about to happen next. Take away the stone.
Lord, by now there will be a strong odor, because he has been there 4 days.
Did I not tell you that if you believe, you will see the glory of God?
The entire hillside held its breath, waiting for words that would echo through history forever.
In a single breathtaking moment, despair turned into astonishment, and every witness realized they were seeing the power of God.
Lazarus lived again, and faith came alive. Subscribe for more Bible stories.